Yo, what's going on, guys? Fitless here today. What you guys are going to be watching is a live commentary with me and Lizard. We're both going to be using that class right there. As you can see, it's just a chainsaw. The new festive camo, no attachment, no secondary, no lethal, no tactical, no perks, no strike package. So there's nothing except from the chainsaw. We're going to be playing a game of free-for-all, so Lizard's going to be joining my session. So guys, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the game. And as always, this was Fatalize, and I'll see you later.
Oh shit!
Prison break.
Oh snap! Prison break chainsaw. Friday the 13th, almost.
It is almost.
We're gonna go around cutting people's heads off with a little mask. It's Friday the 13th, yeah, it is good.
Are we allowed to knife?
Oh great! Shut up for 5 minutes, thank you very much.
Free for all.
Chainsaw. I was gonna say, suppress the grenade launcher.
What?
Hello?
I ain't got no squad fights for
Yo, I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna
Down.
win
Good work,
this.
soldiers.
It doesn't matter who comes first, who comes out of us two. It doesn't matter if we come me and you last, and I'm second last, then I win.
that. What was that, mate?
Get fucked! Come on.
Yo, I run like a fucking slug with this thing, bro.
Yeah, I was gonna say like movement and stuff. Stalker. Imagine Stalker with this thing.
Nice.
Go on, where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
What are you playing?
Where you at? Where you at? Come on, Brad. Stop camping your ass off.
Do you wanna get some GBs?
No, I got turned on.
Come on, come on.
Yeah? No?
No!
Yes! Let's go, come on.
Please!
Is that fucking not there? Damn mate, you're only on one side, and I'm chasing someone with my lightning speed.
I don't trust you.
Flash you. Oh,
Get fucking ripped,
I
bro.
know. You almost got turned on, even though I couldn't see you, but
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
if I could see you,
He just got drop shotted. Oh, fuck. I went straight into a grenade.
I'm not very good with this chainsaw.
No, no, mine.
Yeah, I just drop shot as well. Fuck you, you faggot. You just stop killing me.
Sorry, bro.
Oh shit, there's 4 people joining 4 first with 4
shot.
kills. Oh,
Enemy
no,
SATCOM spotted.
I'm drop shotting, drop shotting.
no. You're sweating it.
He just can't hang with his chainsaw, man.
Oh my god, this thing is ridiculous.
What? Oh, that accuracy is terrible.
Mate, it's just your shot. Oh, you can't put up there with suppressor. I realize I'm picking up guns. Fuck this game. I quit.
No, I'm gay.
I quit.
You get fucked up.
Bro, just because you got one more kill. Which won't be for long, 'cause I'm getting shot from the back, that's fucking why. Deadpool is camping his ass off. He hasn't died yet.
Quit drawing this.
How are you killing me in like 2 bullets?
Do that.
Oh
Still
shit, I'm
slide with this
sneaking.
thing, man. Yeah, toothies.
Oh, and I got a dog as well. Oh shit, I got to reload though. Oh fuck, I'm just gonna die.
Dog.
I had the intention to die, so I just got to be able to reload it. It's just desperate,
damn.
isn't it? Come on, where you enemies at? Oh shit, whoever this is about to get fucked. Oh shit. Find my new favorite Optic J or Diesel used this in a GBK.
Yeah, it was
When you did- oh yeah, that's
I seen
better.
that. And then
Guys
who
are
it was
fucking boss. You killed me like 8 times.
I know.
I was getting shot from everywhere then. You blatantly got perks on.
I've not got any perks.
Oh shit, son!
Oh, fuck, man, you didn't miss a bullet.
No, mate, I never do. Oh, you IED cunt.
Lol.
Bye.
Oh, he just got turned on.
Turn off, like, pretty completely resisting on, so.
4 I'm playing on. I turned it on.
Oh
Shit, man.
Oh, you camping cunt. What?
Enemy SATCOM
More
spotted.
intense than fucking tournament this shit.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Oh shit. Sneaking on someone. Oh, get roasted. Some guy's gonna put something there. Oh, I know this game too well. Too good at this game.
Yeah, that kid's flying in the back, bro. Oh,
Oh shit, son.
I just wanted to run away, bro.
Oh shit, I got 6 bullets. I'm so fucking dead.
No, you're shit, bro. I'm gonna teabag you. Oh,
I
shit,
seen
was
that, mate.
embarrassing. Should not have done that, but you know.
Oh, 16, 16. You fucker.
For real?
I think Deadpool will literally think he's good because he has a 10 to 4 kill death ratio.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Yeah, what? Oh, you did. Damn. Things are so
I did.
shit.
Oh my god, I suck.
Tell me that's not. Oh my
Enemy
god. They're
SATCOM
just chucking
spotted.
IDs on the floor.
If they were any good, they wouldn't be getting beaten by 2 fucking chainsaws. And this Mr. Killer guy's inviting me, do I know you? Oh, almost. I was trying
That
to
spray
dodge
was
it, 'cause I
shit,
knew it was
man.
you.
Damn it.
Dude, I don't even attempt to shoot people across map anymore with this game.
Terrible, isn't it?
Shot from behind. Oh shit, am I gonna turn on him? Get turned on. Good.
Oh.
Holy crap. Yeah, imagine Stalker. Imagine playing Practice. You don't die, I was gonna say somehow.
Who's fucked you up now?
Mate, but at the end of the day, who's top? Who is top? Oh, 25 kills and no attachments on this weapon. Getting the challenges in. Oh shit, there's a sentry gun there. I'd use the sentry gun like it's mine.
Excellent.
Oh, I seen someone. Brad knows where I am because I was
We're failing,
playing.
squad.
Oh yeah, come on. Oh shit. Somehow that guy got behind me, playing his sentry.
How could homie where the heart is when your shadow even fucking leaves you when you ain't? Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Regret. Dude, fuck you and your fucking ID.
Everywhere, aren't
Fuck that. There's this guy literally camps with him. Shit.
Do you want to get to GBs?
Get fucked, son. Oh my god.
they? Fuck, son.
It's shot from everywhere. This guy's camping there. I will stick this chainsaw in you and that you will be dead. Oh, 2 people across the map. Oh, 2 kills and I win, son. 2 kills and I win, son. Yo, imagine this thing with red dot. Fuck it up. That'd be fuck. It'd be so bad though.
just sat there.
They got shit can.
Yo, the accuracy. Oh, it's so bad.
Come on, where is the enemy? Where the enemy at? Oh shit, I see someone.
Oh, fuck.
Get on, challenge me.
Thank
Dump
you.
fight,
Damn
let's
it,
go,
bro.
come on. You guys are all shit at free for all, camping your asses over by the. No, not you. You're Deadpool, look, he's got 8 deaths from the ground. You always got 15 kills. I got double your kills. Deadpool, mate, you were dead once you met my chainsaw. Let's go, come on. Chainsaw, best player EU with chainsaw. Let's go. Oh shit, oh shit.
Anyway, guys, as you can tell, I finished third and Lizard did win. Bastard. But, oh well. Anyway, guys, as always, this was Fatalize. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave a link to Lizard's channel in the description below as well. But, anyway, guys, this was Fatalize.